Most men demand respect, but only few commands it. Demanding respect screams insecurity and comes from a place of desperation, whereas commanding respect shows confidence, value, and power. Also, if a woman doesn't respect you, she won't sleep with you. It's that simple. So, here's 5 ways to make any women respect you more, and the last one is very important, so stick till the end. And now, let's begin. Don't be a coward. A woman cannot respect a man who cannot protect her. She must sense that you have a violent side, a dark side that you control. She needs to feel safe, knowing you'll handle any situation. Act with honor, courage, and integrity. Show her that if things go sideways, you've got it handled. Be the man who's capable of violence whenever it's needed. I would suggest you to join a martial art academy that teaches you combat sports like boxing, kickboxing, or Muay Thai. These are the most effective ones, and will turn you into a courageous and a disciplined man. Look at this scene from Peaky Blinders. Thomas Shelby commands respect because he's fearless. He faces every challenge head-on, protecting his family and standing his ground with integrity. Speak with authority. Women naturally respect dominant men. Too many guys are timid in how they speak. If you talk with hesitation or uncertainty, she'll sense weakness and you'll lose her respect. Here's how to speak with authority. Speak in a deep voice. A deeper voice naturally commands more attention and respect. If your voice tends to be higher pitched, practice lowering it by slowing your speech, breathing from your diaphragm, and relaxing your throat. Here's a tip. Drink a lot of water and yawn more. Pause before you speak. Rushing your words signals nervousness. Pausing shows that you're thoughtful and in control of the conversation. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush to get your point across. Speaking slowly shows confidence, and it gives your words more weight. Look at James Bond. Bond's calm, commanding tone is one of his greatest assets. He never raises his voice or shows insecurity. His authority in speech alone commands respect and attraction. Be a man of your word, not a man of many words. This means follow through on promises and stick to your values. Too many men don't follow through these days. It's time to change that. One of the most iconic scenes in John Wick is when his puppy, a final gift from his late wife, is killed. Instead of letting grief defeat him, Wick acts on the unspoken promise he made to his wife, to protect what she left behind. That relentless follow-through, even in the face of overwhelming odds, commands respect from everyone in the criminal underworld. It's a perfect example of how honoring your word and standing by your values can define your character. Women respect men who enforce their boundaries. Today, too many men have weak boundaries because they fear rejection or conflict. They allow bad behavior to slide, thinking it will make them more likable. They tolerate disrespect and manipulation because they fear losing her. They say yes to everything to keep her happy, but in reality, it just destroys respect and makes them seem weak. Do this to enforce boundaries. Be assertive. Be clear about what's acceptable and express your boundaries firmly with confidence. If she tries to test the boundaries, then warn her, ghost her. Give her a cold shoulder until she realizes her mistake. Make it clear that if she crosses the boundaries, you'll leave her. And now the most important one, make her replaceable. The best thing a man can do when it comes to women is to have options. Doesn't matter you are dating or in a relationship. Women needs to know that you have options. Doesn't that all make her feel insecure? Subconsciously, yes. But you do not have to make it obvious or threaten her or showboat her that look this girl texting me, because that's a weak behavior, and it's going to make her anxious, which is not good for the relationship. It just needs to be clear that if she misbehaves or disrespects you, she's done. You'll replace her without a hesitation. And to learn how to become a man who's irresistible to woman, click on the uppermost video on your screen. And if you are someone who's struggling to get a girlfriend, click on the bottom video. Until then, stop chasing and start attracting.